Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I want to show you how to pin comments what you select below in your video. For example, your comments or a person who comments your video. So let's go to one of my videos and I show you how to do this.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
Like you see, I'm on the one of my videos on my channel, and on section comments you see my comments is pinned. This is icon with information. This comments is pinned, and this comments always will be on the top of the comment section. And I put here some information about this video and timeline. And if I want to pin here some comments from some person from my subscriptions, I can select this person. For example, I can grab this person and here is three dots. You need to push this, and here you have couple options: pin, remove, report, hide user from the channel. We will be pin this comment, so I push button pin, and we get information. If you already pinned a comment, this will be replace it. So you can agree and push button pin, or if you doesn't want replace, you push button cancel. In this case, I will push button pin. And like you see, comments from this person is pinned, and you see icon here inform us this comments is pinned. Of course, you can remove this pin, and you can push this button, three dots, and push button unpin. And like you see, we doesn't have any pinned comments. Of course, you can type your own comments. For example, thank you for watching. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, and you can push here link to subscribe to your channel and comment and go to these comments. In my case, I go to my old comment what I type. So I won't be writing new comments, but I use my comments what I wrote 5 months ago, and simply use the same method what I pin per person. So three dots and push pin. The same message, push button pin, and like you see, my comment is pinned on the top. That's all. It's very simple. I think everybody will be know now how to use these tools. Below this video, please type me what type of comments you pin on below your videos. If you want, I'm prepared some specific tutorials about YouTube functionality. Please put this information too in comments.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see in the next one.